Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to send multiple pictures on WhatsApp chat using the PC app, thanks to a recent update that makes sharing even easier. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer. You can do this by typing web.whatsapp.com into your browser. Once you've accessed it, scan the QR code with your phone to log in. Now that you're in, find the chat where you want to send those pictures. Scroll through your contacts or use the search bar to locate the conversation quickly. Once you're in the chat, look for the attachment icon. It usually resembles a paperclip and is located at the bottom of the chat window. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Next up, select Photos and Videos from the options that appear. This will open a file dialog on your computer. Now it's time to choose the pictures you want to send. Whether you're sending vacation snapshots or funny memes, simply hold down the Ctrl key on your keyboard, or Command key if you're on a Mac, and click on the images you wish to select. After you've made your selections, click Open to upload them. Finally, hit the Send button, and just like that, your pictures will be on their way. And there you have it. Sending multiple pictures on WhatsApp from your PC app is quick and straightforward. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Happy chatting!